Secret red bird, 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 and the agency, episode 1, pilot. So guys, this is the first forming of a team. So, how are we gonna do this team? I don't know what I'm doing. Dino! Yes, I don't even know what I'm doing here either. Why does one fly? I heard that there was gonna be pie. Where's the pie? I'm hot. Side duck. You guys are useless. Hey, it's not our fault. Well, you could be a little more useful. Hey, we can't help it. Oh, man. My arch nemesis. Secret Red Bird. I will destroy you. Tun, tun, tun. Tun 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 tun. Tun 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 tun. Okay. We got to find Squirtle. He is one of a French mongrel. Ha 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 ha! Oh no. Agency, come on! Secret Red Bird Agentcey. Side duck. Fine. I'm hot. Where's the pie? Fine. Hello. I don't even know anymore. Get him! I will return. Side duck. Yeah, we all know. I'm so hot. I want some pie. I'm hungry. It's so hot. Huh? So, sir, what are we gonna do? Well, Hawkeye, I don't know what else we're gonna do today. Side duck. So, what are you gonna do? Dilo, I'm going home. Don't go now. Dilo, too late. Side duck. Yeah, we might need to go now. It's probably just too late. I'm going too. I want some pie. Meow. Secret Red Bird, I know. You just want to form an agency. We'll never catch him now at this rate. Yes, we will. I promise. I'm staying with you. Everybody beaks in. If we're going to stay together, we need to put everyone's beaks in. Side duck. Fine. Fine, I'm in. Fine, unless it can make me so cold. Secret Red Bird Agentcey! We're agents now. We gotta do secret agent stuff. Like what? Well, I know how to be a secret agent. Because my family's been a secret agent, so I'm a secret agent. I don't miss my friend Mini Red Bird. Mini Red who? Who is this Mini Red Bird you speak of? He better not be another Red Bird. He's another Red Bird. He's also friends with this monkey named Will. Who's Will? Not telling you. Better tell me you're fired. Fine, he's a monkey. A monkey. A monkey. That's hilarious. Sir? What? When's the next frenzy? Tomorrow. Okay, well, I guess it's time. Bye. Okay, guys, we'll see you all next time. Next time. We'll see you all guys next time on Secret Red Bird Agencies. Dun, 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 dun.